Hey, seventh graders, today we're going to start something new that we're going to be doing once or twice a week. It is going to be journal writing. And what's awesome about journal writing is it's really open. You can basically write about anything, and it's amazing to look back on in the future. So in a few years from now, or maybe even in a few months from now, you might save this, look back on what you wrote, and I promise that you will appreciate reading what you write, okay? And you will appreciate it even more the longer it's been, okay? What is in a journal? When you journal write, you're basically writing about your life. So here are kind of some things that you can write about. Things and events that happened in your day. Things or events that are happening within the world. Maybe news. And then journal writing is really also stating your feelings and thoughts about certain things. So this is kind of almost your time to vent. When I journal write, I kind of act like I'm talking to myself, but I'm writing it out on a piece of paper. But I act like I'm talking to myself, okay? The only person that is going to be reading this is me, unless you show it to somebody else, okay? So I will be reading this. One thing that I want you to think about, though, is the coronavirus pandemic that we are in right now, this distance learning kind of thing that we are doing. This is going to be a part of history. And so I would like at least some of your entries to be about how the coronavirus is affecting you. Maybe you talk about some things within the world that you maybe know or have heard on the news, or how is the coronavirus affecting your daily life and your feelings on that. You could talk about distance learning and your feelings on that. But it is very open, okay? But you're basically talking about your life and your feelings and thoughts about certain things, and it can be open, okay? How I want you to set up your entry. We are going to notebook paper. Your entry must be set up like I have it. If it is not, I am not grading it until it is resubmitted, okay? You need your name way up at the top on the left-hand side. I am going to be picky because it's all about following directions. Then I want entry number 1. Then I want the date. So today's date, Wednesday, April 15th, 2020. And then you are writing, okay? Today on Schoology, I do tell you the minimum amount of sentences that you need. The next time, I will not tell you how much you need, though. I just want nice writing. I want to be able to tell that you put time into your writing. And I want you to be thoughtful. I want it to look like you put thought into your writing. Like I said earlier, I promise you will appreciate your writing in months to come, in years to come, okay? If you have questions, like always, you can email me. I like to hear from you because then it kind of lets me know that you're alive. So please email me with questions, but I'm so excited to read your first entry, and I might even post my first entry on Schoology if anybody wants to read it tomorrow. All right, good luck. One more thing that I forgot to mention. What's awesome about journal writing is spelling does not matter. Capitalization and punctuation you should have, but spelling, it really doesn't matter. Just do your best. And this needs to be legible or you will redo it. There are a few of you that I'm thinking in my head right now that I really hope you are listening to this. It needs to be legible, which means Mrs. Pashi needs to be able to read this, or you will rewrite it. Take your time. Make sure I can read it. Okay? All right, I think I'm done now. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Hey, guess what? It's already Wednesday.